Welcome back to the Practically Blind workshop. Today I'm going to be giving my workbench a little bit of TLC. Just going to give it a good sand down and fix a piece of 6mm ply over the top to give me a nice fresh surface. Here I'm just marking it roughly to size by scribing a line with a Sharpie. Same for the length. Now I'm just going to cut it down using my homemade guide rail and circular saw. That is it, cut to size. I'm just going to pin it down. I'm not going to glue it down because it'll be easier to replace in the future.